Weather first with meteorologist Joshua Rivas.
Alrighty, and good Thursday afternoon, everybody. Hope you're enjoying your Thursday. And here's what we're looking at. We're looking at the warm afternoons, but it's rather pleasant due to the fact that we still have the dry air in place, and that means that the dew points are pretty low. So that means warm but pleasant, better in the shade. And the morning's also pretty cool. The humidity will be increasing, though, as we go later on into this weekend. Now, the satellite imagery this afternoon is showing the mix of the sun and clouds as we still have a frontal boundary down towards the south. So nice break in the rain yesterday and most of today for South Florida, but still a lot of clouds around and it's mixing into our area as well. But overall, you can see it's been kind of clear this afternoon across our northern zone. So again, the mix of the sun and clouds for today. And then we'll see that system move out towards the east as we go into tomorrow. Now, the fair skies will continue along the waters with a light northeasterly to northerly wind. Seas generally 1 to 2 feet with a light chop. 79 degrees. It's also going to be warm along the beaches as well. Water temperature running 72 degrees. UV index moderate, sunset at 5:37. In the evening, surf 1 to 2 feet. All right, the mid-levels here, we're looking at mostly dry conditions, and that's why we're going to continue the trend with very little to no rain chance for today and into tomorrow, and even in Saturday as well. Let's take a look at it. You can see as we go Friday, dry, and then Saturday, dry. And then we look towards the west. We're looking at the moisture to increase from the south across the mid part of the United States, and that will allow for a nice frontal system to develop, move towards the east, but it will not be impacting our area, at least in terms of rainfall, as the low pressure system begins to lift out to the northeast very quickly. So all the energy leaves out, so the southern half of that line really begins to dissipate. So right now it looks like clouds will be increased and maybe a slight chance of rain as we go into next week. Temperatures, well, they're kind of moderate as we go into the weekend, and it looks cool across the northeast, but really the highs in the 50s up towards the northeast. It's actually, believe it or not, I looked at this morning, some of our models are showing temperature anomalies or departure from normals near 30 degrees. Yeah, so it's pretty warm across the eastern United States. Temperatures for us today, above normal in the upper 70s to the low 80s, about 5 to 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. Setting forecast, the rain chance out of the picture through Saturday again. Then maybe a slight increase next week as we have the increasing clouds and moisture from the south, and temperatures generally in the low 80s, maybe even some mid 80s as we go Saturday with all the sunshine around. Low temperatures, more importantly, unfortunately increasing going into the weekend. All right, that's it for now. Another web weather update's coming up later on today.